What if the funding you've been chasing could finally become a reality? Meet Merrill Chandler, America's leading funding expert and author of the Amazon bestseller, The New F Word. With almost 35 years of experience in personal and business credit approvals, plus decades in personal transformation and human experience optimization, Merrill knows exactly what it takes to get lenders to say yes. He's the founder of GetFundable.com, a proven 5-step system that turns complex credit and financing challenges into a clear, simple, and easy checklist. So entrepreneurs, real estate investors, and ambitious professionals can access the funds they need to grow and thrive. But Merrill isn't just about credit lines and approvals. He's an adventurer, motivational speaker, and disruptor who challenges the norm, sparks transformation, and guides clients to break through results that level up their lives. So what are you waiting for? Visit Chandler360.com to unlock funding approvals, gain financial control, and start building the life and business you've been dreaming of.